From corn dogs to cookies, Minnesotans may consider our fair our Mecca.
This is really exciting.
Now, state health officials hope that's even more true today.
Is this the gift that we needed at this exact right time?
The timing is great.
Health Commissioner Jan Malcolm says the new Federal Fairground Community Vaccination Clinic marks a new milestone in a year-long effort, especially as the outreach targets those hardest hit by the pandemic.
We are reaching the people who've been the most vulnerable to being exposed to COVID, but also who've had some of the worst outcomes, the highest rate of hospitalizations and unfortunately death.
Malcolm notes only those living within specific zip codes in Ramsey and Hennepin counties will qualify for the clinic. 100,000 people in all receiving either Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson vaccines.
We'll be getting an additional 3,000 doses of vaccine a day.
And while the clinic represents a significant moment in the COVID battle, Malcolm also recognizes the symbolism in a state that simply loves its fair.
There is something nice about the symbolism of, the Great Minnesota Get Together, and we all would love to get back to that.
Well, the clinic begins on April 14th. Malcolm says there will be more details on how to sign up later this week. She also emphasizes the vaccines are above and beyond what the state is already receiving from the federal government. The state continues to urge you to sign up to get a vaccine on its COVID-19 Vaccine Connector site. It notifies people when, where, and how to get those doses. For more information, go to carolevin.com/vaccine.